today I'm going to show you English portfolio. First of all, I'll tell you how I made it. I have taken two A4 size pink colored papers and stick them with a strip. I have taken a purple color sheet and cut into the strips and paste it in like this. Here I have taken 3 flowers of 3 different sizes and stick a bit in middle. Here on a card I have written English portfolio and this is how I made it. So let's see the project inside, which is about reported speech. Let's see inside. Here is the introduction, name, class, division, roll number, subject, teacher and topic. Here is the index, reported speech, direct speech, indirect speech, rules, change of, tense, pronoun, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Reported speech. Here is the description of reported speech. Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech, and here is the description. Here is the example. I said I shall beat him. I is the subject. Said is reporting verb. I shall beat him is reported speech. Indirect speech. Here is the description of indirect speech. Here is the example. I said that I would beat him. I is subject. Said is reporting verb. That is conjunction. I would beat him is reported speech. Next is rules of reported speech. In that, first one is change of tense, present and future tense. Here is description and here are both of the example. Past tense, let's see. Here is the description and here are examples. Second rule of reported speech is change of pronoun. First person. Here is the description and here is the example. Second person. Here is the description and here is the example. Third person, description and example. Third rule of reported speech is change of assertive sentence. Here is the description and here is the example. Fourth rule of reported speech is change of interrogative sentence. Here is the description and here is the example. Here is the description and example. Fifth rule of reported speech is change of imperative sentence. Here is the description and here is the example. Sixth rule of reported speech is change of optative sentence. Here is the description and here is the example. Seventh rule of reported speech is change of exclamatory sentence. Here is the description and here is the example. And here's the end. So this was my English portfolio, and if you learned my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.